thing is, what is matrix? It is plural form of matrix and singular form is matrix. Okay. So main thing is, what is matrix? So matrix is an arrangement. Matrix is an arrangement of rows and columns. Rows and columns. Okay. Rows are left to right. Left to right. Okay. Rows are left to right. Like first row, second row, third row. And columns are top to bottom. Top to bottom, like C1, C2, C3. Okay, student. So first thing is, what is matrix? So matrix is an arrangement of rows and columns. Rows are left to right and columns are top to bottom. Notation of matrix. Capital A is equal to, in the square bracket we write Aij. Okay, I means row. I represents row and here J represents column. J represents column. Okay. Example, like A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another matrix we can take B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here how many rows we have? 1, 2. Here we have 2 rows. Multiply. Here how many columns we have? 3 columns. So 2 multiply 3. So 2 multiply 3, it is known as order of the matrix. Order of matrix. Order of matrix. Okay. Here number of rows 2 and number of columns 2. So here 2 cross 2 is the order of the matrix. Okay, student. So till now we have discussed what is matrix. Matrix is an arrangement of rows and columns. Rows are left to right and columns are top to bottom or upward to downward. Okay. Next thing we have discussed, order of the matrix. Number of rows and number of columns is called order of the matrix. Okay. Type null matrix. Null matrix. So what is null matrix? If all the elements of a matrix is 0 and null matrix denoted by O. So here we can write 0, 0, 0, 0. It is null matrix of 2 cross 2 order. Another example we can take 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It is the null matrix of 3 cross 3 order. Here we have 3 rows, 3 columns. Another example we can take 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, it is also null matrix of 2 cross 3. Here we have 2 rows and 3 columns. First column, second column, third column. Okay. So it is null matrix. Now second type, identity matrix. Identity matrix. Okay. What is identity matrix? If we have matrix in this form 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, it is identity matrix. Another example we can take 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Here 3 cross 3. Here 2 cross 2. Okay, it is known as principal diagonal. So what is the identity? In principal diagonal, element should be 1, 1. Okay, it is known as principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. Okay. If in principal diagonal all the elements are 1, 1, 1 and remaining elements 0, then we can say the given matrix is an identity matrix. Okay, student. Now next type, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Okay, what is diagonal matrix? If we have elements in the diagonal only, then that type of matrix is known as diagonal matrix. Example, A is equal to, here we have 1, 0, 0, minus 3. Here we have elements in diagonal, or in short form we can write DIAG 1 minus 3. Okay, remaining element 0. Another example we can take B is equal to minus 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 7. Okay, so here we can write DIAG diagonal of minus 1 to 7. We can write elements with space. Okay, there is no comma between these elements. So it was diagonal matrix. Next type, here we can write scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Okay, scalar matrix is also a type of diagonal matrix, but here in the diagonal elements should be same. Example like K00K. It is our diagonal matrix. Okay, in elements here in diagonal elements should be same. And remember one thing, K should not be 0. Like here example we can take 2002. Okay, or we can say it is equal to K times of I. K times of I. So it is called scalar matrix. Okay, here we can take like 200, 020 and 002. So can we write it is equal to 2 times of 100, 010 and 001. So it is 2 times of I. Okay, student. So scalar matrix is 2 times of identity matrix, or 3 times, or n times, or k times. We can say like that. Now next matrix is an important matrix, that is square matrix. Square matrix. Okay. What is square matrix? If number of rows, if number of rows equal to number of columns. Okay, if number of rows equal to number of columns, then we can say matrix is square matrix. Okay, student. Example here we can take like identity matrix. We are talking about 1001. Here number of rows and number of columns both are equal. So we can say identity matrix is a square matrix. What about zero matrix? So zero matrix or null matrix is not a square matrix, because 2 cross 3, 3 cross 2, this type of order possible in null matrix. So remember this thing, null matrix is not a square matrix. Okay, student. If you are talking about diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, so diagonal matrix and scalar matrix both are square matrix. Okay, student. So these are the main types of matrices. Now we can discuss operations on matrices. So first one is addition and subtraction of matrices. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay, addition and subtraction of matrices. So important thing is we can add or subtract two matrices if two matrices have same order. Okay, here if you want to write, you can write in the bracket, order should be same. Okay, example, suppose we have A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to, here we have 0 1 minus 2 5. So how to add two matrix? So add corresponding element. Here we have 1, here we have 0. 1 plus 0. Okay. Here 2, here 1. So write 2 plus 1. Here 3, here minus 2. Okay. Minus 2. So 3 plus minus 2. Here 4 and here we have 5. So total what we are getting? 1, here 3, here we are getting plus 1 and here we are getting 9. So it is the answer of A plus B. Similarly, we can find A minus B. A minus B means subtract corresponding elements like 1 minus 0, 2 minus 1, here 3 minus minus 2, and here 4 minus 5. So 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus minus 2, that is plus 5, and here minus 1. So in such a way that we can find addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay, student. Now we can take different example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Okay, and B is equal to, here take 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 4. What is order of these matrices? Here we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows. And how many columns we have? 1, 2, 2 columns we have. Similarly, here we have 3 rows and 2 columns. So orders are same or not? If orders are same, we can add or subtract two matrices. A plus B is equal to, here 1, okay, here 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. Similarly, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8. And 2 plus minus 4, that is minus 2. So it is answer of A plus B. Then A minus B. So corresponding element we can subtract. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. And 2 minus 4, that is plus 6. So here, like, we can find addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay, student? Now we are going to discuss important topic in matrix, that is multiplication of matrices. What is the important thing in addition and subtraction? Order should be same. But in matrix multiplication, if orders are not same, then sometimes multiplication possible. If orders are same, then multiplication is not possible always. Okay. So what is the main thing? What is the rule? Suppose here we have two matrices A and here B matrix. Okay. So if order of A m cross n, then order of B should be n cross something. Suppose n cross P. So what is the main thing here? Here number of columns is equal to number of rows. Both should be equal. Number of columns in first matrix is equal to number of rows in second matrix. If two things are equal, then multiplication is possible. So here we can find multiplication of AB. So after finding multiplication, what is the order of AB matrix? Whatever is remaining, that is order. So here m cross P is remaining. So m cross P is the order. Okay, student? Now we can discuss example. And before example, you know one thing, how to find multiplication. Take first row, multiply with all the columns. How many columns available? According to the question, you can multiply. And corresponding elements. Then you will get first row. Similarly, take second row, multiply with all the columns. You will get second row. Then take third row, multiply with all the columns. You will get third row. So what is example? Suppose here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And suppose here we have B equal to minus 1, 2, 2, 5. So here what is order? 2 cross 2. Here order 2 cross 2. So here number of columns equal to number of rows. So it means multiplication of AB possible. So AB is equal to, here, what is first row? 1, 2. And what is first column? Minus 1, 2. So row into column. Corresponding element. Here 1, multiply minus 1. So answer minus 1. Now 2, multiply 2. So 4. And add both the numbers. So first row, first column completed. Now first row with second column. Here 1 and here 2. So 1 multiply 2, 2. Now 2 multiply 5. That is 10. So first row, second column also completed. Now we are getting first row. Now second row with all the columns. 3 multiply minus 1. That is minus 3. Now 4 multiply 2. 8. 3 multiply 2. 6. 4 multiply 5. 20. So here we can write 3. Here 12. Here plus 5. And here 26. Okay, student. So what is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 2. Here what is remaining? 2 and here 2. Okay, student. So in such a way that we can find multiplication of two matrices. And multiplication is the main thing in matrix. Okay, student. Remaining question we will discuss in next. Okay, student. Remaining questions we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you, student, for attending the class.